Another emotional day at the trial of a Hamilton man accused of stabbing his cousin to death. The defense wrapped up today with testimony from the father and brother of the accused, 22-year-old Laureano Bistoyong. Sean Cowan has the details.
16-year-old Mark Bistoyong is being described as an athletic young man who cared about his community. Friends and family, along with his former teachers and classmates, were in court today to show their support.
A free spirit, loved working out, physically fit, loved his family, a charismatic all-around young man. And it's so hard kind of to speak about it right now. To think about him not being with us is very difficult.
According to an agreed statement of facts between the defense and the Crown, 16-year-old Mark Bistoyong was killed by his 22-year-old cousin, Laureano Bistoyong, known as Lawrence, back on July 2nd of 2023. Last summer, the 16-year-old was at his uncle's home on the Hamilton Mountain for a family party. His 22-year-old cousin Lawrence took a kitchen knife and stabbed Mark's chest and killed him. Today in court, Lawrence's brother, Liam Bistoyong, took the stand and spoke about the basketball game before the stabbing happened. Liam said, "It got rough the last game. All of a sudden, the energy went to rough and went like tackle football. Mark tackled Lawrence into the fence to the point Lawrence could not get out." The court has already heard from other witnesses that the game was rough and the players had agreed to no fouls. Today in court, Mark was painted as a tough kid who liked to play rough basketball, but his friends and family say that couldn't be further from the truth.
It makes me very angry, actually, because Mark was anything but the image that they're trying to portray, in my opinion. Mark was just loving and charismatic, and I just don't think that, despite of what anything happened, that should have been the result.
The father of the accused also took the stand today. He was also at the party last year and said he heard a commotion. Larry said, "I ran upstairs and saw Lawrence standing in the corner, and I heard people say, 'Lawrence stabbed Mark.' I said, 'What did you do? What did you do?'" There was also a lot of talk today about the kitchen knife that was used and where it was placed in the kitchen. Court wrapped up early this afternoon, and then the defense will be making their closing arguments on Friday, October the 11th. In Hamilton, Sean Cowan, CHCH News.